Hello students, today we will discuss the third part of the chapter called Celebrating Festival from your class 3 book Our Wondrous World. So let's begin. पहिला जगह चंग तमनुखा Chia story about Bishu festival. Chia kaisa story saikhanarka bini friend unni bo Kerala tongo. Borok tamo festival celebrate khai or spring season. Okay. Sia excitedly shared that her friend Unni from Kerala celebrates a festival called Bishu at the same time. Spring ni jora or springtime o bini friend Unni borok tamo festival celebrate khai aboni bumung tamo Bishu festival. Okay. For Bishu, they use a lot of yellow amaltas flower. A festival ni bagay borok yellow amaltas flower use khayo ni shao. Yagra saito norong nubi mano amalta flower tamnohan saka bakhag no kada. Fruits and vegetables to make Bishu kani. Tolao hingke norong nubi mano Bishu kani borok bahike snam. Fruits rock, vegetables rock to bui borok kasha basket hayo borok kabang ma auspicious item to bui nai a Bishu kani snamo. Okay. Next to changnai linai about Bishu kani bahai. Okay. Bishu kani is an auspicious ritual observed on the first day of the Malayali New Year. O Bishu kani hingke obo kaisa ritual borok follow khai tongo Malayali rock. Okay. Borok ni New Year ro. At sunrise, seeing auspicious item is believed to bring a fruitful and prosperous year ahead. Borok tamo believe khai, borok tam poito khai hingke a Bishu kani no borok nukha hingke borok ni phainai bosorok belai ke kaham thanai belai fruitful tai prosperous angnai henei borok poito chao. Phol phokra rok tai Maikatang thai katang rok tai khum rok borok a Bishu kani snam thani wo use khayo ne shao. Mommy's word about spring. Rishi ni mommy bobo join khai ka borok bini cousin rok bai borok kok salai tong lai fru bin mommy bo borok no join khai tam hani shaka nai le na chung. Mommy joined in and said spring is a celebration of nature. Mommy tam hani shaka spring kya bo nature chini tong khor no celebrate khai mani se hani shao. After the harsh winter, the sun shines brightly. Belai kasang majora pai mani ya kulo no salbo bo pirshana chengo brightly ne shao. Sun shines brightly. Flowers bloom all around. Khumrok bo barbai mani jora. Grass starts growing. Jabra rok bo torsana ni jora. New leaves appear on the trees. Bufhang rok bo blai katal na samani jora. Okay? Next changnai linai. End of the visit. Gebo Rishi bobin mama mami shongni nogo thangmani pai thago sok pai katabo kingke. Rishi shared with mommy, Chia and Nonika how happy they feel when they see beautiful and colorful flowers around. Was hai khnarka Jeffru khum nai thotok khum colorful khum rong nu khangke bo besek tong thok jago honai nei bos hai khnarka. After a few days they returned home. Kisha jorani ya gulo hangke borok nogo kifil kahani shao. Koyek din bini mama mami shongni nogo tongmani ya gulo bo nogo kifil ka. It was a wonderful vacation and a lovely visit with family. O vacation o bo bini mama mami shongni nogo thangmani belai ke wonderful vacation. Belai ke tong thotok vacation angka. Hada sing and enjoy. Nor nero kaisa activity tongo. Oh, spring is in the air. Nog baro spring phai kani shao. Happy children are everywhere. Charai rok belai ke tong thok jak be joto jaga no charai rok tong thok jak. New leaves appear on the tree. Bufhang rok belai katal nana chengkha. As flowers sway in the breeze. Nobar truk nobar phai nai khum rok bo yangwasha kobon mani jora. The sun shines bright in the sky. salbo belai ke bir samani jora hani shao. Squirrels and birds share the joy. Mandar rok, tok rok bo, borok ni joy no share khaile, tong thok mong share khaile yo. Spring is here. Let's dance and sing. Spring phaika tabugle phaidicheng, rachap nai tai masanai. Hope and cheer to all it will bring. Phadicheng jo tono hope khaile nai tai cheer khaile nai. Jekatal mani tubunai. Chapter ni last page onugi mano. Do you know? Kita mo norok saidaman. Sarhul. Kita mo a spring festival. The Sarhul festival is also celebrated in the spring season of the year in Jharkhand. Sarhul bo kaisa tamo kaisa festival, spring festival abo Jharkhand no celebrate kaisa go. People wear their traditional clothes and walk in procession to the sakua tree. Borok tam ke borok Sarhul festival no celebrate khainge borok ni traditional clothes rok kan layo hengke borok line ke thang layo sakua tree hengke abo ketamo sal tree. Okay, abo no English by sal tree bohno. They carry freshly germinated grains and sakua flowers. Freshly germinate angjak bislei je kono bislei rok not langai tai sakua ni khum rok not langai thang layo hne shau borok. Offerings are made to the earth and the sun with reverence and gratitude. Borok sab no offer khai hingke singsar earth no offer khayo tai sal sun no borok ni gratitude borok ni reverence phunugo hone shau. Borok ni thankfulness, gratitude, respect roi borok a celebrate khaileyo a festival no celebrate khayo hone shau. They celebrate Sarhul by singing and dancing together to the tune of drums. Borok bahai ke celebrate khainge thansa ke masalayo, rachap layo, engke tam rok borok afro tam norogo jaga nugui mano photo drums rok borok tam layo dhol, nagada, o jaga naidi khoroksa chalabo nagada tamai tong mani na duita stick by ke nagada tam jago. And other local musical instrument. Alada local instrument rok by borok masalayo rachap layo a instrument rok no tamai. Okay? Phadicheng ko ekta question answer nai nele. Which festival does Unni from Kerala celebrate in spring? Jeng thasingo nukha Unni borok ni Kerala o tamo festival celebrate khai. Spring ni jorao getamo Bishu festival. What items are used to make Bishu kani? Bishu kani snam na bagai tam items rok najak getcheng nugimano yellow amaltas flowers, fruits and vegetables. Hada o tinta manei borok na lainai boroknya Bishu kani no snamu. What does sighting of Bishu kani at sunrise bring? Puila Bishu kani no nukhangke abutam tubu hanisha a fruitful and prosperous year ahead. A belai no fruitful, prosperous bishi tubu hanisha na belai no kaham borok ni bagai kaham hani borok poito chao. What are some of the things that show the beauty of spring in the poem? Poemo jeng thasingo borok singing activity ni kok sai tong do ro azagawa poem je spring ni poem chung tam nubiman. In the poem, the beauty of spring is shown by the new leaves on the tree. Azaga chung tam nubiman kha spring season ong kita mang bufang ro ketal blai nau ni shaw. Flowers swaying in the breeze. Khum rok bo hai no nokbar thana nokbar by yangwasha Tango hanishaw. The bright sun in the sky getcheng taitam nugiman salbo belai ke brightly shine khaitongo heda belai ke satung botungi tongo. The squirrels and birds sharing joy. Enke squirrels rog, mandar rog, tog rok tok sa tok ti rok bor ni joy no share khaileo tong thok mung no khorok sabai share khaileo ne shau. Next question ching tam nugiman, how did mommy describe spring? Mommy hinke bo bahai ke saka spring no tam hani bo describe khaika. Mommy said that spring is a celebration of nature. Spring hinke amo nature no celebrate khaimase chini tong khor no chung celebrate khaimase. After the harsh winter, the sun shines brightly. Belai ke thanda jora, belai ke kesang ma jora paimani ya gulo. Salbo belai ke tungui paimani jora. Flowers bloom. Hingke tamo khum rokbo barmani jora. Grass grows. Jabra rokbo tor sama jora, and new leaves appears on the trees. Ketal blai bo bufang rok bo ketal blai nama jora. Bufang rok belai no krang jiji can I talk angai paimani jora. Spring ni jora he the spring season. Engke ang poito khayo norok joto no sirangai man khana hanai tai belai ke interesting ha da hambai norok joto no.